Today, we are going to show you some important information about the weather cap on your zūmo 300 series. The weather cap on your zūmo 300 series device is attached to the power cable. The power cord is threaded through the back of the cradle. Along with the weather cap. The weather cap rests in the space above the power connectors when not in use. To use the weather cap, simply remove it from its space and firmly seat it over the power connectors on your cradle. Removing the weather cap and replacing it is just as easy. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.